Okay, today we are going to learn how you can turn on the notifications or enable the notification if they are not working or not functioning. The notifications are getting stuck or hidden. So first of all, you have to ensure that your low power mode must be turned off. As come into the settings and come into the battery section is here. So coming into this low power mode may delay or may limit your notification, that some apps would not be able to notify you by their respective notifications. So make sure that it must be turned off. And moving to the second one, we have to come into this notifications. So schedule summary, come into this option. This schedule summary must be off, otherwise the notifications may be late according to a schedule or set schedule. Moving towards the third one, and the third option or the third feature can be this focus mode. If that it's on, so nobody can be able to notify you with their notifications. So make sure that it must be off. I have turned it off because I am making this content and it will be definitely disturbing me. So you have to turn it on or disable it in order to get your notifications on time. Okay, heading towards the last one, the last feature or the last tutorial, that how you can make your notifications available on time. So you have to simply scroll down to this notification section and drag down and check which app you have allowed to receive notifications. As I have allowed Snapchat, Snapchat can timely notify me with their notifications. So it is these are all what the tutorials or the methods that how you can enable the stuck notifications. So for such informative and educational videos, please do subscribe my channel for getting new educational contents, and don't forget to ring the bell icon. Thank you.